We will take these designs of a bulb, so then make the other bulb near it. Then there are the further shapes. So let's generate it. Keep on editing until we can get a different design into that. So here we are making there. So there we will use that design and make the difference.